हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू अ न्यू वीडियो। इस वीडियो में आप सब मैं पूछने जाऊंगा 10 अमेजिंग क्वेश्चन ऑन एनिमल्स। तो बिना टाइम वेस्ट किए हुए चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द मैमल दैट कैन फ्लाई, ईगल, बैट, स्पैरो और नन ऑफ दिस। And the answer is bat. Our next question is, what is the scientific name of humans? Homo sapiens, Elephas maximus, Pavo cristatus, Panthera tigris.
And the answer is Homo sapiens. Next question, what is terrestrial animals? Animal that live in water, animal that live on both land and water, animal that live on tree, animal that live on land. And the answer is option D, animal that live on land. What is arboreal animal? Animal that live on land, animal that live on tree, animal that live in water, animal that live on both land and water. And the answer is animal that live on tree. And next, our fifth question. Camels are also known as pirates, sheep of mountain, sheep of desert, none of these. And the answer is sheep of deserts. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लग रहा है, लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डैश इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ omnivore, डियर, लायन, क्रॉ, काऊ। And the answer is crow. Next question, dash is an example of herbivorous, dog, hog, goat and both A and B. The answer is goat. 8. Frog have dash while breathing in water and dash while on lands. Lungs, skin, skin, lungs, trachea, lungs, gills and skin. And the answer is skin and lungs. Next question, snake have long and sharp teeth called dash, scales, fangs, fin, both A and C. And the answer is fangs. Next question, dash have special breathing organ called gills, frog, snake, fish, bat. And the answer is fish. Thanks guys for watching this video. आई होप आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा। अगर अच्छा लगा होगा तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। तो हम अगली वीडियो में अपने मिलेंगे। बाय बाय।